Koomus Pro Magnetic series offers 3 different applications: dashboard, windshield, CD slot and air vent mounts. Koomus Pro Magnetic Dashboard windshield mount is very easy to install and use. Simply attach a gel disc onto dashboard, not required for windshield use. Attach the mount on top of it, press the lock lever down, and you're ready to use. Attach the metal plate at the back of your smartphone case or inside of smartphone case or at the back of smartphone directly. Attach your smartphone into the magnetic head and you're now hands-free, not having to worry about your phone while driving. Let us focus on securing your devices, so you can focus on the road ahead with Koomus Pro Magnetic series. Specification: just snap in and snap out. Quick and easy one-hand operation provides the most convenient mounting experience. Windshield compatibility. No room on your dashboard? Don't worry, the Koomus Pro Dashboard M can also be mounted on any windshield. Universally compatible, it's designed to mount your device how you want it and where you want it. Adhesive gel pad. The Koomus Pro Dashboard Ms adhesive gel pad provides a strong, lasting grip. It can also be removed for cleaning, so your Koomus Pro Dashboard M can always perform like new. Attach this optional adhesive gel pad if necessary for textured or curved surfaces. Top reviews from the United States. Very good quality magnet. Quality of the product is great.